What's going on, everybody? So check it out. ZHP, the E46 is getting a windshield right now. It's cracked, as you can see. Pretty big branch fell on it, or maybe someone's ex-boyfriend grabbed a bat and smashed it. Girlfriend, who knows? I don't care. I'm getting it fixed today. This thing's pretty clean though. I feel like it needs spark plugs, tune up, basic stuff, but everything else is pretty clean. It's pretty solid. So waiting for the windshield guy to get here and swap it out. After that, we're gonna clean it up, detail it, and see what's up with the engine. Yeah, I'm just trying to bring this thing back to life. I absolutely love it. The body style is amazing. I would love to keep it, but I already got this baby right here. But yeah, I would love to keep the ZHP, but at the end of the day, it's an automatic. It's basically, I already have a fun car to drive, a sedan, and it's over there. It's the IS300. So this is gonna go to somebody hopefully who would appreciate it, somebody who knows what they're getting into, and yeah, they can continue on the work from there. As far as now, I don't need it. I would love it, but I don't need it. And yeah, I'll show you guys how it looks with the new windshield, and we'll continue from there and do another walk around after I detail it. So out here in my garage right now, and basically we're working on the ZHP. So it feels like the oil just needs to be changed. Last time I checked, this thing was just dark black and just gross. Oh man, look at that. Let me put up to the light. Look at that, gross oil. Yeah, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna change the oil, and I think this thing needs a tune-up. And right now I actually have the battery charging because this car's been sitting for who knows how long. So the battery is charging. I have a automatic 7-stage battery charger. It actually turns off by itself and all that, so that's pretty neat. Yeah, so first things first, what we're gonna do is an oil change. So basically I let the car run for a little bit, and I wanted to get the oil somewhat warm so it drains out a little easier. This one, specifically the ZHPs, I think, this is a 36mm socket right here, and that's what I'm gonna use. You basically need to put a ratchet extension in there and get it off. And then we're gonna go to the bottom of the car, undo the drain plug, and yeah, I'll show you guys what we do from there. We got the new oil filter. It's just basic stuff right now, guys. I'm probably not gonna keep this car very long. I'm just doing the maintenance on it and making sure it runs good and all that before I actually decide to sell it, because I have too many cars. So we got the oil filter with the seals in here. I'm actually going with W0W40 Model 1 European car formula, because I read on some forums about it, and it's recommended. However, I'm just trying to get this car some fresh oil because the oil in there looks like trash, and yeah, I don't want to run that car with this kind of oil and just do some basic stuff. So yep, we'll start with that. So let's get to it, shall we? I'm under the car now, and I took off the skid plate, and this is what we got. I'm gonna show you guys how crazy this is. Basically, you got your minor leaks and all that stuff. A little bit of coolant leaking. Is kind of wet. Nothing crazy, like nothing on top that I saw, but it is wet. It is dripping a little bit, so I'm gonna check that out later. But oil drain plug is right there. Service door is open, and looks like they didn't put it back. And yeah, sway bar is all soaked. So typical BMW stuff. I'm actually surprised it's not worse. But we're gonna get this cleaned up and get the oil changed out. Look how dirty that is. Oh my God. All right, guys, so we got the oil drained. I already did that. You guys didn't get to see it, but check this out. Oil is absolutely just garbage. Like, that was probably the dirtiest oil I've ever changed in my whole entire life of changing oils. And I used to work at a dealership. So if that doesn't say something, this person ain't take care of this car. So anyways, let me show you guys what I did down here. So basically I inspected the underbody. Everything is pretty normal. You know, there's minor leaks with cars. It has 186,000 miles. So that's honestly, I'm surprised it's not any more oil than there is dripping right now. All right, guys, fast forward to putting 7 quarts of oil in it and changing out the filter. Now I'm letting it run. It actually runs a lot better. It doesn't feel as sluggish as it was before. Like when I rev the engine, it's way more responsive. Could use a tune-up, but other than that, guys, this thing is running. The battery I left charging for a couple hours. I actually want to see what the voltage is, so that way we have a better idea of what it's at while the car is running. We're actually getting a pretty fairly decent amount. It's idling around 13.98, 13.9. It's actually getting charged now. It looks like the alternator is kicking in, and we should be getting around 14 volts. If it drops slowly, the alternator is bad. In this case, it's not. It's just bouncing back and forth around 14, so we're actually good on the battery now. This is actually a really dope charger. I'll put a link down below. It says it repairs and it charges your battery, so whatever that means. So it's pretty cool. You just plug and play. You hook up the positive, the negative terminal, and you basically plug that in and it does the rest for you. So pretty freaking stoked, pretty sick. Car is idling pretty good. So next steps now is to obviously fix this windshield, detail the car, and probably do a tune-up, and that's about it. So wait till I detail it, and you know, we'll go from there. So that's it for the ZHP pickup to I guess tune up, and you know, there's more to come. We're not done yet. Stay tuned for the next video, and we're gonna finish everything up. So thanks you guys for watching, and as always, subscribe, like, share. If you like the ZHP stuff, let me know. If you like the BMW E46 stuff, I know we're all about IS300s and stuff, but if you guys, you know, if this stands out for you, and some Beamer guys out there who know about BMWs, you know, reach out to me, hit me up, comment down below. If you want to see more of this, let me know. If I should sell it, let me know. I'm already set on selling it because I don't need it. But I mean, guys, this is a ZHP. It's the, you know, M Sport edition. It has the ZHP package, M3 Sport suspension. It actually seems like it would be fun. Like, subscribe, share. I'll see you in the next one, and peace out, dogs. Laters.